April, I would like you to make familiar with our friend. He is Coconut. He is a new student in an English class. The class started 3 weeks ago, but today is Coconut's first day. He likes the class. He likes the teacher very much, but he's a little worried about making friends. Every student in the class knows each other very well. They are having fun together, while Coconut feels alone. We are bro. Please help him. What should Coconut do to make friends? You suggest 3 ways.